Since the new year is starting, I thought try this new planner for this 2026 from Laurent Blanc 2026 planner. So this is how the planner looks like. Let me show you the close up. It has come in this sealed packaging. It is a colored planner. I have bought the same planner from the same brand last year and which is not colored by the way. But this time it is colored and really so excited. So this is how the planner looks like. I bought in the variant. There are so many variants but I bought this make yourself a priority as a variant. So this is a message I wanted to give to that person to whom I'm going to give this. So this is how the planner looks like. So this is the front and this is the back. You can see this is the brand I bought this planner from and I bought it on Amazon. It is for rupees 499. I'll give you the link and the details, everything in the description. So this is how the planner looks like. And for the 499 rupees, I also got this amazing sticker set. So let me show you. It's really an very affordable planner because usually planners are very costly. I got these are the freebies that I got along with my planners. These are the two cards I got, the stickers. So I like this planner a lot because it is a perfect planner, no extras, nothing. It's a very simple but a very practical planner and functional planner. So let me give you a flip through. So I bought this from Amazon. So I'm just giving you a flip through roughly first. So first, this is the size of the planner. As you can see, it's a hardbound planner. Page here is make yourself priority. There are so many other variants. This is a 12 months dated planner, which is also colored. Let me show you the first flip through. So this is how the planner looks like. And as you see, this is the brand name. That's the Laurent Blanc Bloom Shine 2026 planner. So this planner belongs to here. You are going to write your name. Then moving on, it has given you a detailed message to your customers, and there is a Instagram page as well. You have the calendar, and then it came with this holidays list. So here you have my life achievements. You have 20 life achievements, and then you have like my dream life and the 20 goals for your next 20 years. So then my core values, you have given a space for your core values. Then this is the message you have given your. Wow, such a nice message. Then you have a place for this vision board. You can stick all your vision board images or write down your points. Then you have this 2026 year a monthly place, so you can write down all your goals like Jan, February, March, like each month goals you can be putting it down here. So this is the place where you can make a checklist for yourself, all the books that you want to read this year. This is for all the books you want to read this year, and this is for the movies and the series that you want to watch this year, and the places I want to visit this year, and the things I want to buy this year. So this is a checklist that was created. Then moving on, you have a friends or a family to reconnect with, habits you want to build, skill you want to acquire, and self care activities to nurture this year. And then you have your budget track. You have it in the beginning of your planner, not like usually the budget planner is at each month. Here you have it like this: Jan, February, March, April, May, June, and then you have for the rest of the few months, which is good because you can keep them all at one place. However, I feel like they were already all written and you don't have an extra space for it. So maybe you would have to reuse the already filled point. So this is how the budget tracker looks like. And starts your January 2026. It's your monthly spread, so you can write down all your notes here and all your monthly reviews and monthly goals here. So this is how it looks like. Moving on to the actual planner. So you have a habit tracker and a meal tracker for every month. So this is something I really like. Usually all the other planners gives you only just for a namesake. They give you a very fancy habit tracker. But I don't find them functional enough because they only give you 4 or 3 habit trackers. But here I like the fact that you have so many habit trackers. You have 7 colors here and you can have 7 trackers. Optionally, you can draw a line in between and make them more. And this is your meal tracker. You can write down all your meal plans for the entire month. You can sit down and write here and then plan your meals accordingly. This is a week thing. The another thing I really like about it, I usually like to have a weekly spread. Like all these 2 pages should be 1 week so that all my week goals will be here. and my weekdays will be here. So whenever I have a free time, I can pick those goals from here. So this is the amazing thing, and this is the best thing I like about this. So every week is sorted for you. This is your second week, this is your third week, this is your fourth week, and this is your last week of your January. So this is how it is. Then moving on, it goes to February, and that's how it is. Every single month you have your monthly spread, and then you have your habit tracker and your meal tracker, and then goes your weekly planning. If you want, you could write down, you can use this as a journal to write down how your day went. Or personally, I would love to write it and use it as a planner to note down all the things that I would love to do on that particular day. If I am not sure when to do that day, but I want that to be done by that week, they will be here. So even though it starts in the midweek, I want the whole week to be as a set so that it is easy for me to plan my week. And goes your March and so on. So there are no colorful, fancy messages. This is a very beginner friendly planner. So it's like you don't have to think a lot. Usually the planners sometimes have too much to a point where you do not know what to do and you feel guilty or you feel a pressure that you have to fill those gaps. It's anybody can use this because it has everything you want without any additional fancy things that you get in the planner. Even like 3 extra papers were given to write anything you wanted to do. And I can give you more details about the brand and all. So this is how the planner looks like. So it's an amazing beginner friendly planner. It's very cost effective. Last time planner was in black and white, which is something I did not like, but this time they made it colorful and it's very budget friendly. Like 499 is really amazing for such a productive and practical planner. So it's decently colorful, not too much, not too light. It's very pleasant and easy to use. I usually like to have an activity tracker, but that's the only thing this planner is missing, and that's why I went with a tall infant planner for myself. This is a gift to my loved ones. Detailed review and flip through of Tall Elephant Planner of 2026 is coming soon, so stay tuned and subscribe for more such amazing reviews.